Welcome back. It is now time for Legal Live. I'm with Tom Winslow from Goldfinch Winslow, and I am excited about what we're talking about today.
All right.
Because whenever we can get true irony in action, I love it. People get irony wrong all the time, but not today, and this involves this U.S. Supreme Court.
And I love it. So as an attorney, you're always looking at all these different cases, right? You're looking at what's going on around the world, how they apply to you and your cases. So the really interesting thing that I just saw and came out is the United States Supreme Court case where there's a situation of civil rights, and a prisoner is trying to commit suicide, and the police have to come and stop him from committing suicide.
Right.
Of course, what's the irony, right?
Yep.
While they're stopping him from committing suicide, they restrain him so much, guess what happens?
They kill him.
They kill him, right?
Right.
And so in that situation, the family has now sued the police officers and sued the city for killing him, from stopping him from killing himself.
Right. and so what this does is this is a civil rights case because he has the right to live, or he has the right to be treated in a manner that he would not be killed.
Well, see, there's so many components to this, right? And that's what I love. We do civil rights work over at the firm. We do medical malpractice over at the firm. And so you've got all these components of, did they do the proper resuscitation measures after this occurred? Did they properly restrain him without killing him? Kind of the same concept as George Floyd, right?
Right.
So you got all these things that come into play because they're trying to stop him from doing to himself what they ended up doing to him.
Right. So then the flip side would be, if they did resuscitate him properly and then he lived, could he then in turn sue them for saving his life when he was trying to tell you,
stopping him from dying?
This is why you guys go to law school
and
for so long.
the United States Supreme Court got involved.
Right. It's amazing it went to that level.
That's right. And said, you've got to hear this case and try to figure out who's at fault and who's not at fault. You can't just dismiss it because he was trying to kill himself.
And what did they say?
And they said go back and try the case.
So the family does get to then sue.
Does get to sue.
I'll be curious to see what comes out of that.
Let's see what happens.
Goodness. So maybe you have a case or something that is not as confusing as that one, though. And we jest, with that, what happened with that, but it is irony in action.
That's why the law is so much fun.
That's right, it is. So have some fun with these guys. If you need some help, how do they get in contact with you?
Just call Goldfinch Winslow, 843-357-9301, goldfinchwinslow.com.